Hey, Charles here. Well, I finally finished getting this all done up on top of our roof rack of our Ford Transit 250 van conversion. Thanks for watching. As I mentioned before in my videos, I had 3 leftover 80/20 aluminum crossbars. There's the Series 10, and I bought extra hardware to mount it very securely to this roof deck on top of this Flatline Van Company roof rack. And so then I got some D-rings and some handles. I got these straps from Home Depot. And so in this bag, which I think was pretty waterproof to begin with, but I sprayed it. I just now was knocking the water off because I had puddles up here because it's so waterproof. And it's got a vinyl lining as well. And inside here I put 2 camping chairs, tailgate or tire table, 2 recovery boards, and our hiking poles. And I could fit in a couple of the Ecoflow solar panels, but I don't need them for this trip. These straps have it held down. I got 2 this way and 1 this way, really holding it down tight. I've already driven around a little bit, didn't hear any sound. We might drive tomorrow and just follow in our caravan just to see if anything's happening. All I know I need to do, these straps are way too long, so I've got to kind of bundled together here. But we're going to cut them so they're not crazy long. And then, of course, we know to cut them, and then you take a match and burn the edges so it won't keep fraying. But this really turned out well. On this trip, it's not going to be that hot most of the time. There'll be a couple of days. But at night, it will be 70 down to 60. So we decided not to bring our Zero Breeze Mark II, but if we were, this would slide over, and that waterproof bag that I've shown you before would be probably here. And it really isn't much taller than what I've got going here. And so it'll fit in fairly low profile. It's in the back of the van. So I don't think it's really going to cause a great amount of drag. We actually get pretty decent gas mileage for this vehicle because we didn't overload it with a lot of extra furniture like some people do. So no children were harmed in the making of this video. I just got a couple of unhappy twin granddaughters down there that are not too happy at the moment. So anyway, it turned out great, and we think that this is going to be a great addition because we won't have to have this stuff crammed downstairs where we want to live. So it turned out great, and just thought I'd give you a little update about this. Thanks for watching.